Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a book that has helped millions of people get their finances in order and achieve financial freedom. It's called The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, and it's one of the most popular personal finance books of all time. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 of the most important things I learned from the book. These are the things that have helped me get my finances in order and start building wealth. But before I get into that, I want to ask you a question. Are you tired of being broke? Are you sick of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to take control of your finances and start building wealth? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to use the principles in the Total Money Makeover to get your finances in order and start building wealth. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start living the life you deserve, then stick around. I'm about to share with you some of the most important financial advice you'll ever hear. Are you ready? 1. Live on a budget. This means tracking your income and expenses so you know exactly where your money is going. Once you know where your money is going, you can start to make changes to your spending habits. For example, let's say you're spending $200 per month on eating out. You could start by cooking more meals at home, which would save you $100 per month. You could then use that extra $100 to pay down debt or save for a rainy day. 2. Get out of debt. Debt is a financial anchor that will keep you from reaching your financial goals. The sooner you get out of debt, the sooner you'll be able to start saving and investing for the future. Dave Ramsey recommends using the debt snowball method to get out of debt. This means listing all of your debts from smallest to largest, and then paying off the smallest debt first. Once you've paid off the smallest debt, you roll that payment into the next smallest debt, and so on. For example, let's say you have $5,000 in debt. You could start by paying off a $1,000 credit card debt. Once you've paid off that debt, you would roll the $100 monthly payment into a $4,000 car loan. 3. Save for emergencies. Everyone needs an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This means having enough money saved to cover your rent or mortgage, utilities, food, and other essential expenses. For example, let's say your monthly living expenses are $2,000. You would need to save at least $6,000 to have a 3-month emergency fund. 4. Invest for the future. Start investing early and let your money grow over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. There are many different ways to invest, so it's important to do your research and find an investment strategy that's right for you. You could start by investing in a low-cost index fund. For example, let's say you invest $100 per month in a low-cost index fund. Over 30 years, your investment could grow to over $60,000. 5. Pay yourself first. This means setting aside money for your savings and investments before you pay any other bills. This is important because it ensures that you're saving for your future, even when you're struggling to make ends meet. For example, let's say you make $2,000 per month. You could set aside $500 per month for your savings and investments. This would leave you with $1,500 per month to cover your expenses. 6. Give back. It's important to give back to your community and help others. When you give, you're not only helping others, you're also helping yourself. There are many different ways to give back, such as volunteering your time, donating to charity, or simply being kind to others. 7. Live below your means. This is the key to financial freedom. If you live below your means, you'll have more money to save and invest. There are many ways to live below your means, such as cooking at home, shopping at thrift stores, and canceling unused subscriptions. I hope this explanation is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you want to learn more about personal finance, I encourage you to check out the book I Will Teach You to Be Rich. It's a great resource that can help you get your finances in order and achieve your financial goals. You can also subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. Thanks for watching.